Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. New update. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just go ahead and open up our Facebook app right here. Click on the menu icon at the bottom right. And from here, let's click on settings and privacy to open up the drop down menu and click on settings. From here, under the account section, we can click on access and control, so tap on that. And immediately you will be able to see the deactivation and deletion option. So tap on that. This is where we can temporarily delete or permanently delete our account. So as you can see, we have two options. We can deactivate our account. So deactivating your account is temporary, while deleting your account is permanent. So this is what we want. So when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So just choose that option and continue to account deletion if you want. And then Facebook will give you a review on what pages and profiles will be deleted. So if you agree with all of this, just click on continue right here. And then you'll be asked of these options, so you can click on continue to account deletion once you have chosen an option. And then you're also given many options before you can permanently delete your account, just in case you like another situation for your account. So just click on delete account if you want to proceed on this step. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.